we're there back in a cook off, man.
That's it.
You know we're going to the kitchen by the river in the house.
Yeah. Jay frightened the camera. But you are going to cook on vibe. This is not really like we just sound old in the vibes, and I thought, you know what, we'll just catch the vibes on the camera. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we're frying some fish.
We're just a normal.
And over there, we're doing some pepper steak.
Yeah.
So, kitchen by the river, I go on, cut up the pepper steak.
They cut up the steak, them small, isn't it?
Right.
Small, so easy cook. Full of flavor. This is just normally just flavor outside and dry and moist inside. Flavor right through.
Yeah.
So this is how we are get right now.
That is then we're going to season that. Yeah, I'll fry some fish and there things are gone.
Nah, man.
Why yoy?
That is it. You don't know if you can filter the rice, throw out the rice water and save rice, but and everybody can eat.
Oh
See that?
my days, you just taught me a new
Checkers. Believe no man.
Yo,
no more rice grain in a sink. Just
rice,
like
you
that.
just catch that little piece of rice there in your hand, then you don't lose nothing.
A granny style.
Because anytime I do it, there's rice just dropping down the sink.
Yeah man, you have the skill man. We'll do it again. Show a little more
Oh,
water.
one thing Jamaican will tell you off for no waste nothing.
No, waste nothing, brother. Watch it.
Right.
Simple, just see that I go, so. Watch it now.
Done. A good vibe. Yeah, you learn something new every day.
Every day.
Chef? Stop, chef?
I eat, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, well, you know. Cooking up some pepper steak.
My son, you know.
Oh!
My son, me teach him properly, man.
The last one.
I do him, I do the last one.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Tom Pizza, you there?
Stop
It's
it.
the eyes, man.
In there?
Side out.
I will go them you that.
One tall P them man. Yeah, what I tell you now.
Gnarly, dude.
One tall P man.
Oi, oi. Oi, oi.
That. Yeah, my father. Nah, man, alive.
Yeah, man, I done himself at the
Try that one, my father. He's the one. Teamwork, make you dreamwork. Yeah, teamwork, make you dreamwork. Them one good.
Dog, they are bad up the steak, you know?
Yeah, man, I cut them up nice and small as we say people. A steak, yeah, nice, you see me? Flavor right through. And I just meat and just flavor outside and right inside. No. Kitchen by the river sort out this right through, you see me? So right now you can see the fresh beef over here, so. So you red and nice from the old beef we touch in the fridge already.
Right.
So you can see the difference. So right now I just don't wash them off with the vinegar.
Right.
So right now then clean and ready to start seasoning up. So now I see me seasoning them so far.
We
You see
use
it?
today.
We are using some jerk seasoning. Not much because we don't want it too much.
Yeah.
So all purpose is a must. You see me? This is a must. Natural flavor.
Look at something in there.
You see me? And watch no face. If you do no chicken, we have seasoning feet and 1 and 2 touch of lime juice.
Yeah.
You see me? Bring out the flavor.
Alright, and we're live.
And we live. See him, you know.
Big up TikTok, hear that? Cook and vibe.
Yeah, that.
So yeah man, season up time now people, oi oi. Yeah. Mix them up, car.
First.
Beer and there. We got Jay, exclusive. You think I know man thing. Peace.
Alright.
You know the name already?
That is it man.
Yeah. Pepper crab
He
there.
won't give me his crab,
One
guys.
spill. Tell him to chill man.
Yeah, no now.
Father. Don't know how the thing said. Yeah, you see more of the G man, don't worry man, because we're soon forward Portland again. See my fermental, leave them and dry out there people. Whole recipe went kind of wrong, but it's kind of turned out really nice. Look at that gravy on there. So basically, we didn't have a lot of oil, so I put the oil in and the skin stuck to it because it's not, and I'm not used to the pot, them thing there. So, and I put too much seasoning, but now it's just like I built a nice little gravy. It's just steaming down, Scotch bonnet in there, scallion, thyme. Voyou. Yeah, fish is ready. Look at that people. Voyou.
Nice and pop.
That is it. Right, we're putting the vegetables in now, people. You get me? Kitchen by the river, go on, chef up there. That is it. So we've got a green one in there, put a red one in there, purple onion, some scallion. That is it. We've got some rice soaking over here. I've noticed people, yo, I just washed that rice. There was bare starch in it, you know? Bare starch in the rice, man. So, done wash it. And let that just soak off in there, and then we're gonna rinse it again, and then we're gonna cook it.
That is it, you know, call that one a Rastaman vibration.
Yeah, that's
Yellow,
it, bro.
red, green,
That is
gold. You know you come down already, man.
Yeah.
That's how we do it, man. You see me?
The purple onion nice to go with the steak as well.
Yeah, man, right
As you
now.
can see, it's looking nice now.
Cook down stage that one, slow cook.
Yeah.
Look, you look good. Eat
Yeah.
up on low.
That is
Low
it.
eat. You see
So
me?
it's how start put on the rice now.
The beef smell like goat.
That we realize.
The beef
brother.
smell like
Anyhow you
goat.
put curry on that. Anyhow you put curry on that.
You can't
curry
know.
goat.
A curry goat. One of the men them ways you run up on them out and run up there, sir. Or one of them, this if you don't know.
Yeah. And this, you know what? It's nice we get this episode. We ain't cooked in the kitchen yet.
Yeah.
So this is the first time we've cooked in the kitchen, and we're leaving tomorrow. So lucky we did this. Yeah, spin, tell them chill. And
Yeah,
just
no,
press the
and
like
now.
button.
Really?
Let's have a look around the kitchen. Look. Yeah.
Like up a video, share up a video.
That is it.
That is it, man.
It's been a nice day at the yard. You see me and the man then there with boss lady and just beer vibes.
That is it, man.
That is it. That is the front room, you get me? Yeah.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
And make
Leave
sure
a
you go
comment.
follow Kitchen by the River.
That
And the
is
man
it.
them.
That is it.
That is it.
Oh, natural food, man. Natural man.
Never for done it, talk to me proper. That is it.
I get a kick like donkey.
I know Batman Day I told.
I know Batman in that country.
That is it.
You know I'm gonna normal. Who tell them say the I get a kick like donkey?
We know bad man then I told you, we know bad man there, what?
Country.
That is it. See the man them now, man.
Fully,
Don't
fully.
rap with the man them now. Don't rap with Power Piece.
Yeah, man. Batman Day I told. I have never
Batman
say Batman
Day
Day
night
country.
Four flavors.
Yeah,
Everything seasonal.
yeah.
Pimento, scallion, thyme. Is it
And some
little bit of
seasoning.
salt and seasoning.
Right.
And slow, low,
Which is
low,
right. Which is right.
low. Oh boy. That's nice,
That
man.
is it. Talk to me proper.
Sweeter than KFC double whopper.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yo, the smelly seasoning.
Yeah, man.
Oh Jesus.
Smells really nice. The beef over here smells different to the beef in the UK, doesn't it? Yeah. Radam. Ready up, people. Look at that. Nice and tender and soft. Get me rice done ready in there. We're just gonna plate it up, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Oi, oi. That is it, my bro.
Normal day, man. You hear that?
I cook and vow. I forgot to show you the plate. It's so nice. I'm involved. I'm involved in this. The beef tastes different out here because it's got the marrow on it. So it gives it a completely different taste to the beef in the UK. Really nice. Really nice. Mounting. So, you know what to do, man. Follow the man then. Press the like button. Share the thing. Big up yourself. Why?
Watch it, dog.
Whoa,
Feel get way right.
curry beef slap where?
That is it.
It's peppered steak, not curry beef.
Just feel I lose the memory. Alright, go.
That is it. Nah, man, that's it, man. That is it, man.
You know Bobby? Batman Day I told. Batman Day I
Alright, tell you.
No, you know the
This is my plate. Don't. The pot, the seasoning soaking in my pot, man, and I pot I do it.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where I go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi, people. Welcome to the big up section. You don't know about the things that, man. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Again, we're in season 10. We're in Jamaica, non-stop, fully active. You hear that, people?
Don't forget, we're working on a movie, we've got music videos, there's a lot of stuff to drop, so make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe if you ain't already. This week's big up Hempresser. Yeah man, original cook and viber, you hear that? He said, great video, love to see more of the other side of Jamaica that you don't see on TV or other YouTube channels. Keep up the good work, bless up. You don't know people say I cook and vibe, you know? Yeah man, I am that, you know? We do things differently. We get access that other people can't get. So just look out, because you're gonna see a next episode real soon. Also, big up Vaughan Inch, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that. Big you up. Yeah. Big you up, he said, big up bro. Moving through the garrison of Kingston. Bless up and be safe, cook and vibes. Why? You don't know the things that people. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Season 10.